So this is the Omaton vertical laptop stand. As you can see, I have two laptops in here. I have a 15-inch Acer and I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro. And because this is adjustable, I am able to have them both in here side by side. The cool thing about this stand here, so it is 1.5 pounds in weight. It's made of aluminum alloy, but I can pull out one computer. Look at that. It does not tip over. That is absolutely amazing. So on the inside of this stand here, there are anti-rubber slip pieces that are on the inside here, so it should not scratch your laptop. And they also have one here on the bottom, so it can stay nice and put to the ground. Here, this is where you do the adjustments of the stand to make sure that you can fit whatever it is that you need to fit in here. And they give you an Allen key that's also gonna fit in this. So overall, I love this laptop stand. I have been using this now for over a year, and it has been great because I have no space on my desk, and this works exactly the way that it says it's supposed to work. So this is the Omaton vertical laptop stand.